To that developing story, and a Cessna Caravan aircraft went missing on Tuesday evening. The light aircraft, with a maximum of 8 passengers and 2 crew members, was en route to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport from Kitale. Now, we understand that the aircraft's last contact was at 5 p.m. when it allegedly crashed 25 miles north of the Aberdares. Fly 540 and Fly Sax issued a statement yesterday evening asking families and next of kin of passengers and crew to convene at the Western Hotel, Nairobi, for more information. There are reports that mobile phone signals from the missing plane has been located in Kinangop area of the Aberdares, but the search has been hampered by bad weather. Authorities launched a search and rescue mission that is expected to continue today. We now want to just take a look at that particular statement. Those who were on board have been asked to convene at the Western Hotel, and shortly we'll be crossing over there to Western Hotel to speak to my colleague Julie Owino to just give us an update of what's happening there. All right, so that's on your screen, of course, is that joint statement that was issued yesterday by both SACS and Fly 540. It was a joint statement just detailing the information that was available as per the evening with regard to that missing aircraft. Of course, like I mentioned, we'll be shortly crossing over to my colleague Julie Owino from a Western Hotel to give us the latest details. Remember, like I mentioned, the families and relatives and friends of the people who were on board were yesterday asked to, of course, converge at the Western Hotel to get more details as the details and information about that missing aircraft emerges. So we'll be getting there.